Hello. This week I'm walking along the Pacific Ocean. Didn't think I'd be saying that a few weeks ago. For the last few days I've been drawing for Porsche at Monterey Car Week, which is a crazy event. It's like a week-long series of festivals, parties, auctions, concourse events, all sorts of mad vehicle-related stuff. My job was to draw as many Porsches as I could. They made a few prints which they gave to the VIP guests at a party last night, and it's been a manic couple of days. I went to Laguna Seca, been drawing the 963 RSP, which is a road-going Le Mans car, quite a lot. And now the rest of the team have sort of on another flight path. The rest of the team have gone home, and I did one more Porsche drawing this morning in their hospitality place, but I think I'm going to treat myself. When I drove in, first time driving in America, I spotted this great garage, just a family garage. I think it was called Jose's or something, and it was full of really interesting stuff, things that we don't get in England, some of them nice and beaten up. And I thought I'd treat myself this afternoon. I'd go there and also have a look at the sea. But go there and draw something just for me. Some sort of an antidote to all the super expensive £1 million supercars and things that have been surrounding me for the past few days. So that's what I'm going to do now. Draw some battered old cars, hopefully. But I've definitely worked in more salubrious surroundings, but as I've made the effort to walk all the way out here, I'm going to do a quick one. I'm going to draw this lovely, I think it's a Packard. I'm not sure, perhaps somebody can let me know in the comments, but it looks like a Packard-shaped grille. So that's what it's going to be. So I'm going to get some water on those really dark bits, and then I'll do some slightly lighter bits. Now I've got the basic wash in. I'm just going back in, putting some detail back. When you wash it, you kind of lose a lot of detail. It kind of blends things together there, which is helpful. But you do need to go back in and go a bit darker in places. I'm going to do most of the detail up here and then leave it to fade out as it goes further back. It might hopefully give it a bit of depth. let's get the white pencil, see what happens. So the highlights, there's in the headlights. Darker than I was hoping for. Right, I think I'll call that done. There we go. I'm pleased with how it came out actually. I like the way it drops off into the background there, and but I really hope the camera worked and it was pointing at the right place, and I managed to get a film out of that. It was quite hard to concentrate with all that traffic and heat and dust and everything else, but yeah, I think I've deserved an ice cream now, so I'm going to go off and find somewhere cool. But if you like that, do like and subscribe, and tune in for another film soon.